What is it this time? Oh, what is this?
Well, howdy, partner.
Oh, Country Bill.
Country Bill at your service. Words are around these parts, you guys are looking for a work truck.
Yeah, like 2 months ago. Is this what you brought?
Hey now, we work on a different time frame here in the West, okay?
Hey, well, can you turn down the country music? Because we're trying to work up there.
Well, I don't know if I like your attitude, partner. Okay.
Okay, well, let's see what you have here. Is this our Detail and Bell truck?
Well, you know, words was in the front office, we needed a work truck to start hauling around some product back and forth to the warehouse, so they gave me the job, knowing how much I love a good truck.
And you drove it for a couple months, and then you're dropping it off.
Okay, we don't need the details going on. However, I think this is going to be a great project because I left a little meat on the bone, and I really think that we can come through here and turn this into a cool truck.
And when you said meat on the bone, you mean you went over the $5,000 budget?
I said meat on the bone. I went under the budget, but I did pay $7,000 for the truck.
Okay.
However,
so you broke the rule.
yes, I did break the rules again, but this is a 2007 Ford F-150, possibly the finest rig ever made, all American, and I have got some cool things I want to show you we're going to do to this truck, and it's going to be. You may want to just join that 4x club with me when we're done. Come on over though. Let's show you what we got.
Cool is different.
So, let's go in here.
Oh wow, you cleaned it before. Awesome.
Well, jeez.
Pulled the page out of my book, it looks like.
Well, you know, I learned from the best. Yeah, it's a mirror. Okay? You cannot have a truck that's going to be as bad as this with sissy little mirrors. So I got us.
You got your big trucker mirrors.
I got me some Holland mirrors. Now, we might get us a CB as well, but starting off, we are going to put these on the truck and really give it a tough look.
Let's see what else we've got in here. Okay. And I swore that I was never going to redo the leather of a car again after the Boxer. You saw the footage.
Yeah, but I think your pioneer spirit's done dying on you. You go and get in there and do something with this, because this is genuine cowhide.
I think I'm going to stick to the interior detail, and you can do the seats.
Well, all right then, partner. I think I'll go in there and I will redo all these seats. However, the one thing I would ask of you.
Oh, thank you so much.
The one thing I would ask of you is that you do a carpet tutorial, because you may not know it, but that carpet in there is gray.
Oh.
And we need to bring it on back. Oh, wait. This is enough of this stuff. Get rid of that. This is what I wanted to show you.
You got the Ford Raptor.
The Ford Raptor style
grill.
And we are going to put that on the front and make this thing look like $1 million.
I think that will look pretty dope on the front there.
Yeah, it's going to look awesome. But we do a detailing show.
Yeah,
so
I was just going to ask, back to our detailing roots.
Yeah.
What did you have in mind for this?
Well, you know that the weather's been terrible, so this thing was tough to keep clean. However,
covered in salt.
What do you say you give it a coat of double tap, wash her up, and then you know what just came in?
Or Ignite Afterwash.
Yeah. The Ignite Afterwash. That stuff, I just sprayed a little bit on my wife's car last week. It's awesome.
You're still married, dressed like this?
Easy there, partner. Hey, speaking of that, let's get you in character, shall we? I got you one of these for the walk around.
Nice.
You got yourself a vest. But back to what we were saying.
Just in case I'm on the side of the freeway with this thing, people will actually be able to see me.
Every rodeo you go to when we're done with this, you're going to get showcase parking, mister. It's going to be awesome.
Okay, so we're going to double tap, clean it up, afterwash.
Afterwash. And then I'm going to go through. It's got a lot of scratches, and I got to get the paint down to clean. So we'll go through and do a little correction, and then I am going to put a coat of that new 9H we're working on.
I'm excited to see how that works. Yeah, I'm excited to see how that works.
Because you
the
know
mud will just melt off the truck.
Hey,
hopefully.
Leave the cowboy into me, okay? But when we're done, this thing is going to be so protected. We'll be able to four-wheel anywhere we want with confidence.
Okay.
But what's the one last thing that a good truck like this needs?
Lower mileage?
That would help. We need new tires, boy. You can't go driving a rig like this with sissy tires.
So you went over budget. You broke the rules on buying a car that was over $5,000. Steve is probably going to fire you once he sees the expense report.
Possibly.
Sounds like you're killing it. You're on a roll.
Well,
Okay.
let's just go back to what we do, okay? We got some trim issues as always, and we are going to take care of those.
Headlights.
Oh,
We can do a little
you're singing my song, son.
correction on the
Yeah,
headlight.
let's go through and make these things like brand new.
The grill will look awesome. What
Look.
about the decals?
Well, the emblems, I got to tell you. Cha-ching!
Oh,
Now, this
repair.
grill is going to be replaced for a more modern
But
type
the back
look.
will be good.
But on the back tailgate, we are going to do it up right.
Okay, well, it looks like we've got quite the day ahead of us.
Yes, we do.
The next week ahead of us.
I'm excited though, because honestly, how often do you get to take something and step outside of the detailing part of it and just turn it into a overall cool truck?
Well, I'm excited because we haven't had anything like this before on our show. So I think a truck's gonna be a cool ad to do.
Oh yeah.
So, well, let's get started then.
Well, I like where you're heading there. I just indoctrinated you into the 4x truck heaven.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, let's get started. Hi, this is Bill from Lithium Auto, and anyone who's watched our show Detail and Bell, let's just say you deserve a reward. So what we've done is set up a special discount code for all of our viewers. So check the description below, look at the links, and use the code, and you'll get a discount on all your favorite lithium products.
Okay, up next, we're gonna do a little paint conditioning with the keyword eucalyptus with our double tap soap. Now we've pre-diluted the soap and we're just gonna go through, clean it up, and get it ready for a little ceramic. So let's get started.
So I gotta tell you, this is the part of the video I've been looking forward to all week. I just love it when we introduce new products, and I absolutely love this Ignite. Because let's face it, most of the scratches on the surface of your paint occur during the drying process. So what we did with this product is we took some lubricant and some paint conditioners and mixed in a little SiO2. The lubricants are gonna stop us from scratching as we dry, and the SiO2 is gonna give us a nice sealed paint with a great shine. And that's really all you have to do. Spray it on while it's wet, wipe it off, and then give it a little buff after. And that's how you do it in the country, boys. So tune in, subscribe, and like this channel. And when you come back next week, you're gonna see this truck transformed.